I'm about to do something that I literally never thought that I would do on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Becca and we are tackling my junk areas one by one in my home. Last year, about a year ago actually, probably more than a year ago, last January, I posted a video going through all of my craft stuff, and you know, I've done a few other areas in my home. I recently did the kitchen and I'm still working on painting the kitchen and all of that kind of stuff, but I really need to take care of my laundry room because it is just, it's weighing on me, and I don't know if anyone else is like this, but once I get fixated on something, I have to take care of it. So we have to take care of this. Whenever we have a mess, like laundry mess, or currently there's also a lot of reusable grocery bags on the floor everywhere because I was looking for something. So now everything is really torn up. We need to find some storage solutions, and we also need to do some decluttering. So we're also gonna do probably a lot of laundry, which thank you so much to Earthbreeze for sponsoring this video to help make that happen. Let's do this. In order to have a good after, we have to have a thorough before. Okay. Yikes. This is the giant pile of laundry that I was referring to. A lot of these are reusable grocery bags and totes that were in this laundry basket that also had towels in it. And then I have this shelf that was from my plant room that I moved out. I have this shelf that was previously in my apartment, if you remember this shelf. It broke somewhere along in the moving process, and I just kind of kept it because it fits in this spot and it's nice, like extra storage for party supplies, lunchbox, carpet cleaner. And then we've got this corner of doom, which this shelf is super stressful, and there's mostly cleaning supplies, some vacuum stuff. We got our battery daddy. What is at the top? The bottom has a game. That is like a giant industrial tool junk drawer. And then we have our coat rack, which is so annoying because every time we open the garage, it like hits this and you can barely open the garage door. Our wet bag for our diapers. And then we have a laundry line here. And up there we have games because our games cabinet is really full. Daniel and I really love board games, and we do play a lot of these. My plant, sorry, I just had a cough attack, like literal cough attack. My eyes are watering. These cabinets have random stuff that we have not touched or looked at since we moved here. Like pretty much. We moved in, we put those in there, haven't like even thought about them. So we're gonna look through that. I think a lot of that stuff might be Daniel's. I'm not sure. Okay, sorry, got a phone call. And also, now the air conditioning is running, our AC unit is in here. So when that happens, obviously, can't really chit chat, it's kind of loud. So I'm just gonna get started. Okay, so a general theme for my year is to just reduce. And one of the ways that I'm eliminating bulk is by using Earthbreeze laundry sheets. I seriously love these so much because of how smack myself in the face with them. If that was a jug of laundry detergent, that would have really hurt, but because it was this tiny package, it didn't hurt at all. They are, in fact, just like a sheet of detergent, and they dissolve easily in water. And what I do is for a a front loading machine, I just like fold it up like this, and then I put it in the detergent section up here. Earthbreeze fights odors and stains and gives you an amazing wash every single time. Before using Earthbreeze, I used traditional laundry detergent, and so I was kind of skeptical about if it would actually clean my clothes because it's like, this is it, but it does. It's really great, and it's really refreshing to know that something so simple can do such a great job. So I'm washing a big load of towels right now, as you saw me load in all of those. I have another load to do after this. And what I love about Earth Breeze is that you can use it for all of your washing needs. So whether you're washing clothes for yourself, baby clothes, towels, sheets. It is also dermatologist tested and it is free of bleach and dyes. So you know that you'll be using something that is great for your skin and also great for the environment. Using Earth Breeze, you can completely eliminate those plastic jugs. And I think they've planted over 150,000 trees. And as a plant person, I love hearing stuff like that. So if you would like to try out the Earth Breeze laundry experience, you can save a whopping 40% when you subscribe, and shipping is always free. You can go to earthbreeze.com/creations to get 40% off Earth Breeze Eco Sheets. I have cleared out this corner here and looks great. I don't plan on putting anything there. I'm going minimal, right? We're not putting anything in crevices. So it's a laundry basket where we can put our towels and soiled baby clothes and things like that. And that will be empty by the end of today, hopefully, after I do all this laundry. I put everything on top of the washer and dryer that was over there. I need to find homes for all of these things. Hopefully I can put some of this stuff in these cabinets once I clean them out. That is the next step. Or this. This feels like a bigger pain point than the cabinets because honestly I haven't thought about the cabinets since we moved in. So I feel like this is what should be addressed first. And I do plan on getting a closable cabinet thing, like a tall one. And I was thinking it would be nice to put the games in there instead so that they could be more accessible because this cabinet's not enough room. Clearly we have more up there. So we need like a games closet thing. I have organized our games. I think I'm just going to keep this shelving unit and just do this because it saves me money from having to go buy one of those cabinet things. And honestly, I feel like having it open is actually helpful to see everything. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. There's no organization to this, although I did put the smaller games up top. And then Daniel actually made that chessboard or checkers or chessboard in high school and I think it's so cute. And now this is empty. Oh, this needs to go over here somewhere. This is empty. This, I need to... to get a little organizer that keeps this kind of stuff upright because it is always falling, and that's super annoying. Over on this side, I usually put this extra chair and then our extra table leaf. I actually just thought of something. So I have this little shelf that I might put here because I don't love having stuff on top of the washer, but we do have things that I need to access that won't fit in here, like it's too tall. And there's some brackets in other parts of my home, like in the kitchen, there's some brackets that I need to actually just take down because I'm not going to be using them anymore. So I think I'm just going to transfer that into here. And this is just an offcut from a different shelf. I have an even longer version of this that I put my plants on in there, but I'm wanting to build a new windowsill for my plants in my kitchen remake. And it's longer, and I feel like it would be more useful. Oh! I think it's perfect. It's not very pretty, but it gets the job done, you know? Alright guys, so that's going to be the end of part 1 of the laundry room makeover. It's not really a makeover, like I'm not planning on doing anything wild in here, but I feel like I've set up some solutions and some systems that will make this work for us a lot better. There's still some work to be done, which I'll probably show you in a vlog or something. This cabinet section has not been addressed yet because I'm pretty sure a lot of that is Daniel's stuff and I don't want to pick through and mess with his stuff. And I also need to go through these 3 crates to see what needs to be, you know, thrown away or gotten rid of. And then I'll probably put them in here. Yeah, games, organized, displayed, cleaning supplies, light bulbs. Okay, where do we store our extra light bulbs? For some reason we have so many extras. This is cords. Okay, kind of, this is a little bit disorganized, but this is just how my brain works, all right? Lunchbox, you know, party stuff, cups. We got some command hooks, which probably could go somewhere else, but like cords. We have a radio here for, you know, weather emergencies. And then I have our extra paint up there. And then that's our battery daddy. And I feel really good about it. I am going to need to revisit this shelf thing because it's not very steady. And it's a good thing that my laundry detergent is this and not the jugs, because I think that that would be really heavy and that shelf would not be working. But we do need to figure out something. Maybe the shelf won't happen. I might actually just take that down because it's really unsteady. I don't think there's really any studs in this area. I didn't find any, so that doesn't really make sense to me, but anyway, it's not in the studs and it's really kind of like this, and we don't want that. But anyway, I feel really good about it. I'm glad that I did this. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me and hanging out with me while I did something today. It feels good to get something done. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned in a future vlog to see like the actual finished, completed vibe. That's my homework for myself, is to finish it and show you. I'm keeping myself accountable. All right, I will see you next time. Bye.